Hello everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. I'm sitting on the floor today, I don't really know why, but I thought I'd change up the angle a little bit. So you know, we can't really go out, so I'm just filming inside. So it's nearly pancake day and I'm going to be showing you some recipes that I do for my vegan pancakes. So we're going to be doing like the American style ones, the extra fluffy light ones. And I'm hoping to get some like chocolate chips. Adam's actually at the supermarket at the minute and he's going to be getting some ingredients, so I'm hoping there's some vegan chocolate chips. And yeah, we're going to do some like healthy-ish ones, so like ones with fruit on and stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited to make them and I hope they turn out really yummy because I'm hungry. Okay, let's just get to it. So here are the ingredients all laid out that you'll need for the batter. So we have some plain flour, some oat milk. You can use any dairy-free milk, and also soy milk is really good because it's higher in protein. And then we have some apple cider vinegar, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, some maple syrup, some salt in my little pineapple, and then some vanilla extract. I'm also going to be using a measuring jug, a spatula, some scales and a larger spatula for the flips, and a frying pan. We're not going to be using oil in our recipe because this is non-stick. Well, let's get flipping. So we're going to start off by using 150 grams of flour, and this should make about 3 good sized pancakes. And then we're going to put in a tiny pinch of salt, like that, and then a teaspoon of the baking powder, and also a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. There we go. And then we give it a good mix, and then we're going to add in our milk and our apple cider vinegar. So we're going to be adding in our milk, so we're going to be using 180 ml. And then just a good splash of the apple cider vinegar. And now all we need to do is combine the two like that and give it a good old stir. And then we're going to add in our vanilla extract, just a good little splash for some vanilla-y flavour. So we can leave that on the side to rest, and then we're going to just heat up our pan on medium-low. I think it's ready. Let's go. Are you ready for this? Oh yeah. I'd say about that much. So we're just going to let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes before flipping it over. And you can normally tell because it gets really bubbly, and also the edges start to seal a little bit, if you can see. And now repeat. So here are our 3 lovely pancakes. These are just plain, so we're going to put some maple syrup on these ones. So I've just made up a new mixture, and this time we're going to be adding blueberries in. Can you do this? Those blueberry ones came out unreal, so now we're gonna make the chocolate chip, my favourite. I'm excited to make chocolate chip. Chocolate chips. We both just snorted. So Adam managed to find these ones in Sainsbury's. They're dark chocolate, so that's what we're using. It looks like a giant cookie. So they have come out like this. Don't they look unreal? And they're really fluffy. So all the chocolate chips are melted inside. So what I'm gonna do now is put some of this chocolate sauce all over the top. Now the last thing, most important thing to do is to dig right in, so let's go for it. Do you know what I need with this? Cup of tea. Good old cup of tea and pancakes. Oh my god. Get out.
Naughty.
Wow, look at that. That looks unreal. It looks so naughty, doesn't it? I'm gonna give it a try. Wow. I'm not just saying this, but that is so delicious. It feels so naughty. Unreal. I'm gonna try some. So that is how you make American style pancakes in 3 different ways, all vegan and so delicious. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and you should definitely give these a try. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!